With money services and Western Union, sending money orders is a fast and easy way to make payments or send cash. Money orders are a great way to provide certified funds when other payment methods aren't accepted. You do not need a bank account to purchase, and it is a simple and easy process for sending through the mail or in person. You can buy your money order from any one of the Kroger Family of Stores or at a Western Union agent location near you, with either cash or debit card. Start by filling in the recipient's name, that's who you want the money to go to, on the line that says, Pay to the order of. This will be the only person or business that can deposit your payment. Next, in the Purchase section, fill in your address to make sure your recipient can contact you if there are any issues or questions. If you are paying a bill, remember to fill in your account number in the Payment For/Account Number field to make sure it's your account that gets credited for the payment. And finally, provide your signature on the purchaser's signature line to officially validate the money order. Remember, do not sign the back, as this will be reserved for your recipient. Make sure to keep your receipt in a safe place once you have transferred the money order. This receipt is your proof of payment should we need to contact you regarding the deposit process. Keep this receipt until you get confirmation that the recipient has received the money order. Filling in a money order with money services at participating Kroger Family of Stores, powered by Western Union. Click the link in the description below to find out more information on how to cash a money order.